I'm going to take you now, release the camera, and take you up into the cupola so you can see how the world looks. What's really cool right now is not only are we looking at the world, but look what else is out here. Canadarms poised above the cupola, ready to grab Dragon and release it to go back to the Earth. Makes a nice focal object while you're taking pictures of the world. That's a crater. The visible part of it is more than 100 kilometers across, and it's in Canada, in Quebec, just close to the Saguenay River. It's called Manicouagan. It's a regular, familiar sight as you're coming across Canada. We're over the water right now, but I see a cloud that's kind of an interesting shape. So I'm going to grab the 180. Here's a 180 millimeter lens. Okay, check my settings. Oh, good. Line it up. Focus, super sharp. Get it very careful. Hold the camera still. Take one or two. They're digital. You're not burning film. Better to have slightly too many than not enough. Coming across the Atlantic and coming up on Africa. I can see a few of the islands in the foreground. Get the wide angle, see if we can get the whole edge and flow of the Sahara as we come up on Africa. The clouds are really nice right now. They're sort of coming at me like a burst, focusing the eye in on what we're looking at. Got Canadarm in the foreground. It's a nice picture. A lot of people ask, how come you don't see stars in the picture? It's the same as your eyes. If the camera is set so that its iris is wide enough that it can take all the light reflected from the world, then the faint light from the stars just gets washed out. The stars are always there during the day. You can't see them because your pupils are scrunched right down, just like the iris or the eyeball of the camera. Same problem. That's why we don't see stars during the space pictures unless we really work at it.